Yeah, exactly.
It's okay, you look cute like that too.
My live studio audience is trying to flirt with me. What is up, YouTube? Mark Hicks coming at you with another video. We are live. I have a live studio audience. My girlfriend, she, you know, Make-A-Wish Foundation. She pretty much told him she wanted to be my girlfriend for a year. They talked to me and I hooked it up. Okay, but we have a Yeezy. When they first came out, I really thought this was the ugliest shoe I had ever seen in my entire life. You maybe saw Casey Neistat on Sneaker Shopping said this will never be okay to this shoe. But it has officially grown on me. I had a size 9.5 like sitting around. I didn't know if I was gonna sell it, sit on it, whatever. So a high bid came up on StockX, so I was like, whatever, I'll sell it. And then pretty much I just size swapped and bought my size. And the rest was history. A Yeezy 700. So yeah, like I was saying, I really thought this shoe was hideous. I was like, there's no way, StockX, you know, there's no way I'm going to cop this shoe. But it really grew on me, and I really started to like the, I don't know, I just kind of like the colorway, and I like that it's kind of out there. It's a Yeezy. Yeezy to me is like, you can tell on foot, you're like, whoa, that's a weird shoe. Like, I feel like all the best Yeezys have been like crazy colorways. This reminds me of the Yeezy 2 Platinum. Kind of reminds me of the Turtle Dove, which end up being the most expensive pair of the 350s. So it's like crazy colorways and Yeezys just go together. So what we have here is a shoe you are gonna, if you ever see me in person, I probably will be rocking these. I am going to beat the crap out of this shoe. I don't know, it looks weird, but it's a Yeezy, man. So is that okay? I don't know. Is that what we're doing? I just know I'm gonna rock it. I started to really like the color on this shoe. The like blue, and then it switches to green, and then it's got the neon yellow laces and the orange hints. I don't know. It looks like a dad shoe, but it's the coolest dad shoe I've ever seen. And I'm not just saying that to be a hype beast. I don't know. Just really like, the ugliness of this shoe grew on me. I don't know if that makes sense, but I really like this shoe. Obviously there is Boost in it, so it's still an Adidas shoe. It's gonna be comfortable, but I don't know. It costs a lot of money though. So yeah. So tell me what you guys think. Tell me if you guys think this is worth the money price tag that's on it right now. I think the prices are around 500, 450 to 550, stuff like that. But yeah, tell me what you guys think about this shoe, man. It's a shoe I'm gonna wear a lot. It's gonna get a lot of use in the summer. I got a couple trips to LA, a couple trips to New York, so it's a shoe that I'll probably go to. Comfort wise, I kind of like the shape of it. It fits the shape of my foot. I don't know, just the kind of like flat, like wide. So it is what it is. It's a size 12, by the way. But yeah, Yeezy 700, the ugliest, best Yeezy, the Yeezy I will rock constantly. Check out the car channel. You know, subscribe to this channel and the car channel. Hit the bell to be notified, and just like that, we're out of here.